Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready: Vscode, the Python extension, and Copilot. Sign in to GitHub when prompted so Copilot can authenticate. This lets it fetch context-aware suggestions. Open a Python file and choose the interpreter. Once done, save the workspace so settings persist. Make sure the Copilot icon shows active. If it doesn't, toggle the extension. These first actions unlock inline completions and the command palette shortcuts you'll use next. You now compose code while guiding Copilot. Write descriptive function names and a docstring so the model understands intent. Start typing or press Ctrl+Enter to request suggestions. For longer completions, use Alt+\/ or a multi-line comment prompt. Once a suggestion appears, accept with tab or preview alternatives using the arrow shortcuts. Iterate by tweaking the docstring or surrounding code. This back and forth makes recommendations more precise because Copilot adapts to context and your edits. You finish by validating suggestions, run unit tests and linters to confirm correctness, then refactor as needed. Once done, tweak Copilot settings, delay telemetry and inline history to suit your workflow. If suggestions stop appearing, reload Vscode and re-authenticate. Make sure no other extension conflicts. As a single troubleshooting tip, if completions are wrong or stale, add a clear docstring and small example usage. Copilot will regenerate more accurate code based on that fresh context.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.